I, Sri Nehemiah Bukan, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do hereby swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and independence of India.